Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, but then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and namely this afternoon, big volume spike, well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one going forward. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. First level is what I would call the ideal when we say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up above $1.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.85, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's the best way to have it represented, because that is really assuming that you care about the overall trend. The 50-period moving average is a great trend indicator. So, not to insult your intelligence, but as long as the price is above a trend indicator, that implies that the trend is bullish. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, first key battleground right here where the party stopped several times today at that round number of $2. If the price, and which actually makes that much more sense, if you go back here, you can see $2 also rejected the price right there. So not saying $2 can't be broken, just saying it makes sense why the price is struggling at that area. If the price, though, can push up above the $2 mark, the next key level to keep an eye on would be up there at about $2.08. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great price movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.